Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. I wanted to share a product that's really helped our dog with her joint and mobility concerns. This is liquid glucosamine from the brand VAITE, and we're really pleased with the results, as well with how easy it's been to administer to our dog. So she is extremely picky and refuses to eat anything in a pill or vitamin form, anything solid, she just spits right out. So I'm so happy with this liquid formula because I can put it over all of her food. It absorbs really well and she inhales her food. So for example, in the morning, my dog eats egg whites. So I put half of a serving size, which is half of a dropper because she's 10 pounds. I put it over her egg whites. It absorbs so nice into the food and immediately she inhales her food. And then in the evening, we place the other half serving over her kibble. It absorbs really well into the kibble. And again, my dog just loves the taste of this product. I love the fact that there's no strong odors at all. And most importantly, I love the fact that I've seen some really positive results in the last couple of weeks that we've been using it. Her energy levels are increasing. She's running, she's jumping more. I'm just so pleased as a dog mom to see her returning to her old self. So if you have a dog approaching middle age like our dog or even older, I would definitely recommend incorporating this into their diet. We're very pleased with the results and I know you will as well. But that's just our point of view.